What's the meaning of assault and battery? Assault and battery. Assault and battery.
Assault and battery. Assault and battery. Assault and battery is a common legal term used to describe two separate but related offenses, assault and battery. Assault is the threat or attempt to injure someone, whereas battery is the actual physical contact that causes harm. The consequences of assault and battery can range from minor injury to death, depending on the severity of the incident. Victims may suffer physical pain, emotional trauma, and financial losses due to medical bills, lost wages, and other expenses. Perpetrators can face criminal charges and civil lawsuits, as well as imprisonment and fines.